Paracord bracelets offer durability, versatility, and essential survival tools in a compact design. Made from strong, lightweight parachute cord, they provide emergency rope for outdoor adventures. Many include fire starters, compasses, whistles, and multi-tools, making them ideal for camping, hiking, and survival situations. In this video, we recommend the 7 best Paracord bracelets, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. The Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, combining multiple survival tools in one. Each bracelet features 12 feet of military-grade paracord, a fire starter, compass, and loud emergency whistle, making it perfect for hiking, camping, fishing, and hunting. The fire starter includes a striker and ferro rod, enabling you to start a fire even in the wild. The adjustable size fits men, women, and kids, with a range from 8" (10.5" for maximum comfort and versatility. These bracelets are ideal for setting up camp, securing shelter, and preventing hypothermia in cold conditions. The easy-to-read compass ensures you stay on course and never lose direction while exploring. For families with scouts, these multi-tool bracelets provide essential gear for safety and preparedness in any situation. Compact and practical, the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet is an essential addition to your outdoor gear collection. Number 6. aZengear Paracord Survival Bracelet. The aZengear Paracord Survival Bracelet is a comprehensive 5-in-1 emergency survival kit designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Each bracelet features a fire flint starter, loud whistle, basic compass, mini saw, and waterproof military-grade paracord, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and bushcraft. The adjustable wristband fits wrists measuring 9.5 foot, 17 to 24 centimeters, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for various users. With up to 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters, of 7-core waterproof paracord, it can be used for shelter building, creating traps, carrying heavy objects, or serving as tinder for starting a fire. This multifunctional bracelet also works as a splint or clothesline, proving its versatility in emergency situations. Designed to withstand cold weather, it's an essential tool for outdoor adventures like fishing, boating, and hunting. Number 5. iHeartDogs Paracord Bracelet. The iHeartDogs Paracord Bracelet is a stylish yet functional survival accessory designed for men. As a veteran-owned business, iHeartDogs donates 20% of proceeds to help paramilitary veterans with shelter or service dogs, making each purchase impactful. Not only does this bracelet showcase a bronze USA flag, but it also offers unmatched versatility with its 7 feet of durable 550 parachute cord. In an emergency, you can unravel the paracord for various uses, such as creating a shelter or even making a temporary dog leash. Measuring 7 inches in length and adjustable from 7 to 7.5, the bracelet features a secure locking clasp for a comfortable fit. This bracelet is an excellent gift for military personnel, veterans, or anyone who loves outdoor adventures like hiking and camping. With both a fashionable design and practical features, the iHeartDogs Paracord Bracelet is a must-have for anyone looking to make a difference while staying prepared. Number 4. Nexfinity Survival Paracord Bracelet. The Nexfinity Survival Paracord Bracelet is an essential emergency kit designed for outdoor enthusiasts. This set includes 2 tactical bracelets, each featuring 10 feet of durable 550 grade paracord that is adjustable to fit different wrist sizes. The built-in SOS LED light helps rescuers locate you at night, providing a crucial lifeline in emergencies. Included in the kit are compact multi-tools, stored in the buckle, offering functions such as a screwdriver, saw, scraper, wrench, and more for survival situations. A loud rescue whistle is also integrated into the bracelet, helping you signal for help from a great distance. Additionally, the built-in fire starter provides the necessary tools to create a fire, essential for survival in the wilderness. Number 3. VAYOBOO Paracord Bracelet. The VAYOBOO Paracord Bracelet is a stylish and functional accessory perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from durable 550 and 650 pounds parachute cord, it supports up to 650 pounds, making it ideal for survival situations. This bracelet features a bronze American flag charm, adding a patriotic touch, and comes in a beautiful cardboard box, making it a great gift for various occasions. Adjustable and easy to wear, it fits most wrist sizes and can be loosened or taken off effortlessly. Once disassembled, the cord can be used for multiple purposes like setting traps, pitching tents, or bundling luggage. The VAYOBOO Paracord Bracelet is a versatile, practical, and stylish piece of gear that is perfect for everyday use and emergency preparedness. Number 2. DIHAIMI Paracord Survival Bracelet. The DIHAIMI Paracord Survival Bracelet set includes 3 versatile and practical bracelets, each with 5 essential functions. Made from high-quality, durable paracord, these bracelets are adjustable to fit wrists ranging from 7.1 to 10.5 inches. They feature a loud whistle, fire starter, compass, rope cutter, and high-strength paracord, making them perfect for outdoor adventures, camping, and emergency situations. The paracord can be disassembled and used for various purposes like making traps, fishing nets, or even sheltering. With a single rope pulling force of about 220 kilograms, these bracelets provide safety and reliability when you need it most. Backed by a complete exchange and return policy, DIHAIMI ensures customer satisfaction and a 5-star experience. Number 1. M-Tac Paracord Bracelet. The M-Tac Paracord Bracelet is a heavy-duty tactical wristband designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With 9.88 feet of thick nylon paracord, it's perfect for emergency situations, providing reliability for hiking, camping, military use, and more. The Fostex buckle allows for quick deployment, making it easy to remove the bracelet when needed. Available in sizes M and L, it comfortably fits wrists between 8 to 9 inches and offers a secure, adjustable fit. This versatile survival bracelet is ideal for building shelters, outdoor gear repairs, and even emergency medical needs. Lightweight, durable, and water-resistant, it's the ultimate essential for any survivalist or adventurer. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.